Hey everybody, this is Zachary Scot, The Song a Day Project, where I try to record a song a day every day for a song so I can keep doing that. You can support the Song a Day Project at patreon.com/thesongadayproject. I'll put a link in the description below the video as well. Yesterday we got the sad news that Gordon Lightfoot had passed on, one of the greatest songwriters that ever lived. And I've recorded Gordon Lightfoot's first two records in their entirety on the Song a Day Project, hoping to get to all of the others as well through the course of time. He's one of the best. This is a favorite of mine called Early Morning Rain. In the early morning rain, $1 in my hand, an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, no place to go, out on a runway number 9, Big 707 set to go. I'm stuck here on the ground where the cold winds blow, and the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend, she's rolling down the lane. Hear the mighty engines roll, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the cloud shift, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun away. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This whole airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me. I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can. Jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight, so I best be on my way